Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Happy holidays, and in this DIY vlogmas I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a patchwork. So I'm going to be using this patchwork for some of my other projects. So I just want to show you guys how to do the patchwork so that you can even make bulk, designs of what you love. Please, if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel, join the family, and without further ado, let's get started.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
And guys, this is what it looks like. It's turned out amazing. I love how the colors pop. You guys know me, I love my Ankara, so I love how the colors actually pop. So they are complementing each other. Even if they don't match, they are still complementing each other. So I love the two sizes. I'm going to be using it to make some projects on this channel, so you guys should watch out for that. And yes, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so far for your super thanks, for the love on this channel. Thank you so much. It's going to help my channel grow so much. Please guys, help me get to my full monetization threshold so that I can be able to get amazing fabrics and tools that I can be able to use to make amazing DIY projects for you guys. If you try any of these methods out, please tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to showcase your creation with all my growing followers. Please also like this video, share within and outside your circle. It's season's greetings and happy holidays from me. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.